Our planet Earth is an incredible place. It's a delicate balance of life and systems that have allowed humans to thrive. But you know, our planet is changing, and not for the better. Earth's climate is warming up at an alarming rate, and this phenomenon, known as climate change, poses a significant threat to the natural world and our way of life. Climate change is not just about hotter summers, it's about long-term shifts in weather patterns and rising global temperatures. These changes are primarily driven by the increasing levels of greenhouse gases in our atmosphere. The impacts of climate change are far-reaching, affecting everything from the air we breathe to the water we drink. As we delve deeper into this critical issue, we'll explore the causes and effects of climate change, but more importantly, we'll discover the many ways we can make a difference.
The Earth's atmosphere naturally traps some heat from the sun, like a warm blanket. This natural process is called the greenhouse effect, and it's essential for life as we know it. However, human activities are releasing excessive amounts of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, trapping more heat than necessary. Carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide are some of the most significant greenhouse gases. Burning fossil fuels for energy, deforestation, and industrial processes are major contributors to their release. These excess greenhouse gases act like a thick blanket, trapping more heat and causing the planet to warm up. While the Earth's climate has fluctuated naturally over millennia, the current rate of warming is unprecedented, primarily due to human activities.
The consequences of climate change are already being felt around the globe. Temperatures are rising, leading to more frequent and intense heat waves, droughts and wildfires. Ice caps and glaciers are melting at an alarming rate, contributing to rising sea levels. Coastal communities face an increased risk of flooding, while inland regions may experience more severe droughts, affecting agriculture and water resources. Extreme weather events, such as hurricanes and storms, are becoming more frequent and intense, causing widespread damage and displacement. The delicate balance of ecosystems is also being disrupted. Plant and animal species are struggling to adapt to the rapidly changing climate, leading to shifts in migration patterns and, in some cases, extinction.
Section 4. Turning the Tide: Actions for a Healthier Planet. While the challenges posed by climate change are significant, there is still hope. We have the power to mitigate its effects and create a more sustainable future for generations to come. It starts with individual actions that, when combined, can create a global impact. One of the most effective ways to combat climate change is to reduce our carbon footprint. We can do this by reducing our reliance on fossil fuels and transitioning to cleaner, renewable energy sources. Simple changes in our daily lives can make a difference. Opting for energy-efficient appliances, reducing our water consumption, and choosing sustainable transportation options like walking, cycling, or using public transport can significantly reduce our environmental impact.
Section 5. Embracing renewable energy. Transitioning to renewable energy sources is crucial in mitigating climate change. Solar, wind, hydro, and geothermal energy offer clean and sustainable alternatives to fossil fuels. By harnessing the power of nature, we can generate electricity and power our homes and businesses without releasing harmful greenhouse gases. Governments and businesses play a vital role in promoting renewable energy adoption. Investing in renewable energy infrastructure, providing incentives for businesses and individuals to switch to clean energy sources, and implementing policies that support a green economy are essential steps in the right direction. As individuals, we can support renewable energy by choosing electricity providers that generate power from renewable sources. We can also explore installing solar panels on our rooftops to generate our own clean energy.
Section 6. Sustainable Living, Sustainable Future. Adopting a more sustainable lifestyle goes beyond reducing our carbon footprint. It's about making conscious choices that minimize our impact on the environment and preserve resources for future generations. Reducing waste is essential. We can all contribute by practicing the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. By reducing our consumption, reusing items whenever possible, and recycling materials, we can significantly minimize the amount of waste that ends up in landfills. Supporting sustainable agriculture is another important aspect of a sustainable lifestyle. Choosing locally sourced produce reduces transportation emissions, while opting for organic foods minimizes the use of harmful pesticides and fertilizers.
Section 7. A call to action. Our planet needs you. The fight against climate change is a collective effort that requires the participation of every individual, community, and nation. The choices we make today will determine the future of our planet. We must act now, with urgency and determination, to mitigate the impacts of climate change and create a more sustainable future. By embracing renewable energy, adopting sustainable practices, and advocating for change, we can make a difference. Let us be the generation that turns the tide on climate change. Let us be the stewards of our planet, protecting it for future generations. The time for action is now. Our planet needs you.
Please subscribe our channel World Analysis.